guide to accessing and managing the Asia Pacific Group admission portal. Go to the Asia Pacific Group website and navigate to the login page. Enter your username or email address and password to login. After logging in successfully, proceed to the admission portal to view and manage applicant details. Upon entering the admission portal, you will find the following sections: percent commission, client list, settings, logout. Under the commission field, you will be able to see admission information, applicant information, commission information, view commission. In order to view a detailed breakdown of the due commission structures, one can hold this field. The details of the commission due depends on the tuition fees received to APG. In the commission section, you can use various filters to search for specific applicant information: admission ID, college and course, COE start date, COE finish date. You can also search for the data using the search button, refresh the data using the refresh button, download the data in CSV format for your convenience. Accessing the client list. In the client list section, you can view the following details for each applicant: admission ID, client type, college course, LOF status, applicant information, COE information. Filters are available for searching applicants. You can also download the data in CSV format using these filters. In the settings section, you can view and update your profile details, including first name, last name, secondary email, secondary phone number, contact person, name and position, ABN GST details. You have the option to update your password. Enter your current password sent on email. Set a new password. Retype the new password for confirmation. Click on Update Password to save the changes. After reviewing the data and making necessary updates, you can log out from the portal by selecting the Log Out option.